It feels like a great day to sell more items on Etsy. Let's do this. Hey, I'm Pam Duthie, and if you haven't already checked out, we're doing a change of one thing a day in August to try and boost our shops and get more sales. So if this is something you're into, don't forget, check out the playlist in the cards above and come back every day. The one single thing that can help your shop the most is just being active. It makes your shop exciting and enticing for viewers when they come along. It makes sure that you're checking out your stats and doing what actually works and not just leaving things sitting. It triggers the algorithm and it sets a good habit. So today, what are we going to do? Let's update something fun on the Sell on Etsy app. This is actually a really cool tool that isn't utilised quite enough. It's a bit like Instagram for Etsy. So if you haven't already, download it into your mobile phone and let's get started. So you can take a photo or three of your works in production, your studio area, or if you buy vintage, you could even take pictures of somewhere you found some exciting items. Anything that lets people know what you're doing, something about you creating their item. Just post a little snap of something about your listings that makes you human, that you think your customers would be interested to see. Pop it up on the app, and you can even tag a listing to that. So upload the pictures onto the app and then type a brief description, and you can even link it to one of your products. And that's hopefully a great way to inspire some of your customers and keep them coming back to your shop if you're doing interesting things. So that's our wee tip for the day. Don't forget, come back tomorrow for some more ideas. And if you have any ideas of things that you find really helps your shop, don't forget, stick them in the comments below. Thank you so much and see you next time.